Okay, so today we're going to be demonstrating how to install the micro manual MemoryMoog OS upgrade 2.5. Here we have the board, the main logic board from the MemoryMoog. Obviously this one has been removed, but yours is going to be inside the synthesizer. So you can see here there's 3 OS chips that are part of the set, and right underneath each chip you can see it says U2, U3, and U4 right here. So those are going to be the slots that you're going to want to remove. U2 is chip number 1, U3 is chip number 2, and U4 is chip number 3. So we're going to go 1 to 3, and we're using the extractor that comes with this kit on eBay. So you want to grab underneath the chips on each side using these lips with the extraction tool, and once you have it underneath just the chip and not the IC chip holder underneath, just the EEPROM chip itself, you're going to press down and then slowly pull up from both sides like that until it comes up and you see the chips are still intact and not bent. That's important. So then we can go to chip number 2 and get it underneath there, and then slowly rock it back. Oh, and you have that number 2 out. And then go to chip number 3 and slowly rock back, and you see how easily that slides out using this extraction tool. And then we come to the installation section of the video. So you're going to want to inspect the chip that you get. Make sure that these pins are all lined up. There's not any ones just strewn out to the side or anything like that. If you have to, maybe bend it a little bit on the table just to kind of straighten everything out. And you're going to see there's a little indentation in the top of the chip, and that is the orientation of the EEPROM right here. And you can see that that indentation is going to be on the top of the chip. So when you install it, make sure that the chip orientation is proper and it aligns with the top of the holder, which also has an indentation. You can see that both the chip and the holder both have an indentation at the top, but not on the bottom. So we're going to install the chip number 1 into the U2 slot, and you want to make sure that all the pins are aligned before you press down, because if they're not, then the chips will get the pins will get bent. And if that happens, you know, you can try and bend it back, but if you bend it too far, it will be broken. So just be very careful not to force it. And apply, now that you've seen all the pins are in the proper position, you apply even pressure onto the chip. Even from both sides, and then just not too hard, but pretty forceful until they slide into place. And then you can see the chip is now in place. So then just do the same thing with chip number 2 and then chip number 3. And there you have it. We have our OS upgrade installed into our MemoryMoog. Once again, this is the micro manual OS upgrade 2.5 for the MemoryMoog, and included IC extractor. If you look underneath the link description in the video, you'll see a link to the eBay auction where these are available. All right, thanks a lot.